This auto components player just turned its EV game up by acquiring remaining stake in IAC India, making it a wholly owned subsidiary. With 1350 crore in orders, 5000 crore revenue guidance by FY27, and surging passenger vehicle revenue from EV platforms, well, it's positioned for aggressive scale up. The stock has already climbed from 270 rupees to 650 rupees in just 2 years, giving investors a whopping 140% return. But stay tuned to uncover this four-wheeler growth engine. Hello and welcome all to another exciting edition of the Noisemaker, where we sift through the market buzz to uncover high potential small cap opportunities. I'm Ujjwal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll spotlight two companies making extended moves in their respective industries, which you can keep an eye on and keep them in your watch list. Before we move ahead with today's lineup, please note that any discussion, facts, or writing provided are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a bias or recommendation before making any investment decisions. With the first company that we are covering for today, it is Lumax Auto Technologies Ltd. Lumax Auto Technologies Ltd is a prominent player in the automotive component space, offering plastic molded parts, frame chassis, and lamps for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler. The company recently acquired the remaining 25% stake in IAC India, making it a wholly owned subsidiary. This move is expected to boost its presence in four-wheeler interiors and EV platforms, especially for OEMs like Mahindra and Mahindra. Financially, in Q3 FY25, Lumax reported revenue of 905 crores approximately, up by 7.5% quarter on quarter, with EBITDA margin expanding by 90 bps to 13% and net profit margin at 6.2%. Well, going forward, the company estimates its revenue could touch 5,000 crores by FY27, fueled by a 1350 crore order book, 40% of which is set to mature in FY27, solidifying its position as a prominent player in the automotive components and EV interior space. Now, I'll make you look at the recent filing that the company has submitted with the National Stock Exchange, which is the NSE. Just a minute. Yeah, so here we go. This is the recent filing that the company had submitted on the 19th of May, where they have explained everything about that they had previously owned 75% of IAC Group India stake, and they have increased it, and now it has become a wholly owned subsidiary at the remaining 25% stake they have acquired yesterday. And all of the net result and what will happen from this, all that I have discussed in the pointers. Wait, just look at this and you can have a look at the pointers. This will summarize of what will happen after the acquisition and what is expected to happen actually. So that's it for the stock one. Now we'll move ahead to the next stock which we have covered for today. It is Interarch Building Solutions Ltd. Well, Interarch Building Solutions Ltd provides turnkey pre-engineered steel structures targeting industrial, renewable, and data center infrastructure projects. The company has acquired 20 acres of land in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, to build its second plant, aimed at doubling its capacity to 240,000 metric tons per annum. Well, the new facility will go live by June 2025 and support execution of the 1305 crore order book and 4,000 crore pipeline. Financially, in Q3 FY25, Interarch reported revenue of 364 crores, up by approximately 12.7% quarter on quarter, with EBITDA margin expanding by 200 basis points to 10% and net profit margin standing at 7.6%. Going forward, Interarch aims for 10 to 15% revenue growth in FY26, with the revenue doubling roadmap by FY28. It is also setting up an 80 to 90 crore greenfield unit in Gujarat to add 40,000 tons capacity by Q1 of FY27, making it a key capacity expansion milestone in the company's long-term growth strategy. Well, these were the two stocks that we covered for today. I'll also make you look at the recent filing submitted by Interarch Building Solutions. Just a minute. Yeah, so here you go. This is the filing that was made by Interarch to the National Stock Exchange on 19th of May 2025. They have explained here that they acquired 20 acres of land in Andhra Pradesh for its Unit 2 new facility, and what will happen from that and what is expected to do. Well, all that we have covered in these 3 pointers. You can have a look at these again. Yeah, and that's it. And these were the 2 companies that we have covered for today. And now I'll head on to reviewing our previous picks, stocks that we covered in previous editions of the Noisemaker, and take a look at how they have performed. Well, first company was K Ratings Limited. We covered this one, was trading at 1,422. Now it is up by approximately 5.8%. Second company is Alpex Solar Limited. We covered this when it was trading at 816 rupees and it is up by 10%. Next is Dalmia Bharat Sugar, which we covered when it was trading at 456.6 rupees. It is down by 1.9%. Fourth company is Power Mech Projects Limited. We covered the stock when it was trading at 2790, which is 2790 rupees. It is up by 4.8%. And last is KPI Green Energy Limited. We covered the stock when it was trading at 445 rupees. Now it is up by 12% from its date of coverage. Well, that's it for today. I'll just summarize what we have talked about in today's edition. The first company we covered was Lumax Auto Technologies Ltd. It acquired full control of IAC India, guided for 5,000 crore revenue by 2027, and expanded its presence in the EV segment. Second company was Interarch Building Solutions Ltd. Well, the company acquired land for its second plant, aiming to double its manufacturing capacity while executing a strong order book worth 1,305 crores. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description below. Well, if you like the video, don't forget to like, press on the bell icon, share and subscribe. Well, keep on watching Noisemaker editions and Noisemaker videos and stay ahead and stay informed. Thank you.